Hi, this is Kim Turner, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a summary if function. Now, a summary if function does calculation on cells that match the logical condition. So you can sum up the values in cells, you can count those values, you can average those values. What I'm going to show you today is I'm going to show you a SUMIF function because that's probably the one you're going to use the most. So the way my SUMIF function is going to work is I'm going to go to a table and look up the values in a column that have Facebook. For those cells that have Facebook, I'm going to sum the items in a different column. So let's first bring up our function, go to the f of x icon and type in SUMIF and then hit go. Click OK and it brings up our dialog box. So the first thing we want to look at is the range. The range is in the media log sheet in the media table. So I want the SUMIF function to look at column D, and for every value that says Facebook, I want to sum up the views. So my range here is going to be column D. And the criteria is over here on the dashboard. I want it to look up Facebook, so I'll click on that, which is B10. And then for the sum range, that is what you want to sum up. So going back to media log, I can go over and sum up the views. So I'll click on column G. So you'll notice that wherever I click, that syntax goes into the dialog box, and let's take a look at it. Alright, so we have 156,677, and if I read the formula, it says I'm going to sum if everything in the media log sheet in column D, if the items in that column says B10, which is Facebook, the items I'm going to sum are in column G of that media log sheet. Now you'll note in the textbook that the syntax is a little bit different, and that's because the book is using the column headings of the table. So this is another way to create a formula by clicking on the sheet and on the columns that you want to use.